Hello everyone, my name is Harris Taylor and this is my presentation on intrusive igneous rocks and their textures. Intrusive igneous rocks are formed beneath the surface of the earth in its many layers, and it is formed by the slow process of cooling magma, and this slow process allows for larger crystals to be visible more easily to our naked eyes, meaning that we don't need any extra tools like, say, a magnifying glass or something to identify these. And a good example of this would be, say, a granite countertop. And granite has many different colors, and on some granite it has like the black dots in it and the different colors from the main rock, and that would be its crystals. Igneous rocks have three main textures. These three main textures include, forgive me if I don't say this right, phaneritic, porphyritic, and pegmatitic. Phaneritic contains coarse-grained minerals that are greater than 1 millimeter. And porphyritic occurs in coarse, medium, and fine-grained minerals. And pegmatitic is a very large mineral grain, and that is due to the high content of dissolved water. A good example of a intrusive igneous rock that is phaneritic would be diorite. Porphyritic would be syenite, and pegmatitic would be granite. An example in our everyday life would be granite. Granite's used for a lot of things, including flooring, tiling, and a lot of other things. But what I'm going to use is countertops. Without countertops, many people couldn't really. I eat at mine. I cook on mine. I tend to lay like pans and a bunch of stuff all over mine. Countertops are very useful. And without granite, or without an intrusive igneous rock like granite, I would not have a countertop like I just explained. And I hope this presentation helped everyone understand the difference between intrusive and extrusive. The big difference is intrusive cools with magma, and extrusive cools lava. It's a good example of that is, say you're about to eat dinner and you fix your plate, and you either throw your plate in the microwave because you're running to go do an errand real quick, or you just leave it on the counter. If you eat the plate that was on the counter, your food's probably going to be cold. But if you eat the plate that you put in the microwave, your food's still going to be warm, because the layering in the microwave helps contain all that heat. And the same thing is happening with the Earth's layers and the cooling of magma. And this is why it takes so long for intrusive rocks to cool all the way down, and etc., etc. Anyways, good luck to y'all on y'all's exams, and peace.